How to view an email password in Outlook. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you an easy way to view your Outlook email account password. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Then, click on File in the top left corner. After that, select Account Settings. Then, click again on Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see a list of your email accounts. For example, I want to view the password for this email account. Just double-click on the email that you want to check, and the pop-up window will appear. In here, you will be able to see the saved password if it is visible on your computer. Take note that in some versions of Outlook, password might not be displayed for security reasons. And that's how you view your email password. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.